Man, uh, just my luck. I've just been sitting here waiting for a text message for like 10 minutes, and bang, my window just smashed. Like it just spontaneously combusted. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's still like crackling. Like it just shattered. Like I've got glass chunks on me. I've got to carefully get out, clean this up. Man, just my luck. Like, I don't know what is it about Grand Prairie, but I've broken all my windows up here. I've had a window in the front go because of a boulder. I've had both my back windows smash, and it's like literally my last day here, and my window just spontaneously just combusted, exploded, literally exploded. Like it scared the shit out of me. Pardon my language, but my heart is just racing. I literally can't afford this. This is crazy. I'm gonna have to borrow some money just to get this fixed, but what the heck am I gonna do now? It's not like I can put a piece of cardboard in there and start driving around. Like I'm laughing because oh man, I'm tired of this happening to me. All right, so I got everything cleaned up. There's a few shards underneath the van, but I'm not crawling on my hands and knees to get every single piece. Got the railing cleaned up. Got most of the glass cleaned up. I got my carpet. This was just covered in glass, so I just picked it up, dumped it in there, cleaned up all that. But unfortunately, I didn't get everything. But I will have to clean that up later. As long as I can drive, get to my destination where I want to go, that's where I'm headed. Well, there's only one slight problem with this situation. Every time I open and close my door, it sounds like a thing, and this isn't sitting properly. So I don't know what's going on with that. But that's alright. Figure it out later. For now, I got a new problem, is how do I lock my van? I was just planning on going to get some groceries, and there's a slight problem to that situation. Yeah, and I don't think I have a bag large enough that I can just cover this so it doesn't get rain inside. So that's something else I'll have to figure out. But it's a problem for a little bit later tonight. Man, it's just my luck though, eh? Every time I come to Grand Prairie, I end up breaking something. Man, what am I gonna do? Anyways, I'm just hanging out with my kids in a little bit. Gonna go grab an ice cream cone, hang out for the last little while, and then I'm gonna be hitting the road starting tomorrow. I'm gonna start driving down to Drumheller. I'm gonna do a van tour, couple van tours, couple hanging out with some people, meet some other van lifers, see how their vans are looking. Maybe I could steal a few ideas from them or two. Who knows? Anyways, I will see you guys a little bit later when I figure out what I'm going to do about this whole window situation. But I'm going to go hang out with my kids. See you guys a little bit later. Whew, it's getting a little chilly out here. Sitting around in shorts and sandals, but we got to figure out how to get this window closed because it's windy and yeah. Anyways, my little crow's out here visiting me. He's always every time he sees my van, he comes and checks me out because he knows I got peanuts for him. All right, so I got this tarp, and I want to see if I can get it so that it just fits over this window perfectly. This wind is killing. Okay, so I'm thinking something like that. If I can just no, let's try that. Just lock the door. Yeah, that should do. Anyways, we got this little cute guy. A little, but yeah, like every second or third time I visit here, my little crow, he comes to visit me. It's kind of cute. Anyways, we'll keep you updated on how my tarp, emergency tarp cover, is working. It seems to be all right. As long as it keeps the wind out and the rain out, that's all I care about. And well, unfortunately, I'm not very safe, but look at him. He's like, what are you doing, dude? You gonna bring me more food? No, that's enough. You enjoy your peanuts. Anyways, yeah, it's time for me to cook my food. I'm getting hungry. It's been a long day. That break in the window is just, it was such a surprise. Like, I did not, I was just sitting there, all of a sudden, just smashed right on my lap. It was just glass everywhere. I couldn't believe it. But anyways, I'm going to hang out here for tonight, eat some food, and we'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, and we'll take you guys along with me to go get my window fixed. Yeah. See you guys in the morning. My little buddy visiting me today. Anyways, it's the next morning. Just headed down the road. We're going to go do some laundry. Can't really do much when I got a broken window and I can't really go very far, can't do much. Can't even go shopping. I had to borrow my son and have him sit in the van so that I could, run into the store and grab some stuff. Anyways, I called the glass company and they said the earliest time they can finish it is Wednesday. And I'm pretty sure it's because everything is closed today, which is unfortunate. Everything is locked up. Everything's closed for the weekend. It's the May long weekend, but what am I supposed to do? Like, knock down their glass and go fix my own window? Like, there's not much else I can do. Anyways, that's my life story for today, is I'm going to do some laundry, and then I'm going to hang out with my son. Just a little quick update for you guys. But anyways, everything should be all good. I have 2 days to go from here to Drumheller, and it's about a 7.5 hour drive or something like that, which I wanted to split up over 3 or 4 days, but it looks like I'm just going to have to split it up over 2 days. Drive, 3.5, 4 hours, find somewhere to park for the night. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.